Hello and welcome to this video. We're basically going to be looking through Automod, testing some things out with one of the demo models in there. So I'll start off with exercise 2.1 where we're copying a model to a new directory. We're going to record the maximum number of loads in this process. And then we're going to go and edit the copy model now, changing the automated guided vehicle quantity to 3, go into the source file, change our inspection from 3 minutes to 2 minutes, and basically just record the difference in the maximum number of loads in that process. So if you look to your right, in our first go, we got a maximum of 46. We then went and changed the red inspection from 3 minutes to 2 minutes in the source file. Went ahead and changed the amount of vehicles from 4 to 3. And our new maximum loads is 28. So if you do some simple math, you get that the difference is 18 loads. Moving on to exercise 2.2, we're again going to copy the model to a new directory, edit the source file by changing this mean of 48 minutes and standard deviation of 60 minutes. We're going to change that to 240 and 30 respectively, as well as the time required to replace the batteries to a constant 7.5 minutes. From 15 minutes. We're going to run the model and see how basically record the resource, the red swaps total and average time statistics for the new configuration. So just comparing those with each other. So looking to your right, our total for the run before all of the edits is 56 and an average time of 900, as you can see there. We went in here and edited the source code. Source file, I should say. Here's the 240 and 30 minutes. That was previously 480 and 60. And then our new result is a total of 110 and an average time of 450. So doing the simple math there, the total time difference is 54, and the difference in the average time is going to be 450. Moving on to exercise 2.5, we're doing a similar thing, but running the demo model for 25 days instead of 5. And checking the maximum number of blue loads in the system after that. So before we run it, the maximum is 40. We're going into run control, and we are changing the 5 to 25 days, going and running that, and we have a new maximum of 62. So just doing the math, the difference is going to be 22 in that maximum number of blue loads. And I can show you that live here. We're going into Automod, System, Run Control. That's where we made the 25. Now we're going to run it. Go to Control, continue the run. That starts a little animation right there. We're going to turn off the animation just to speed up the whole process. It's down here, it says 0% complete. This will soon reach 100. There we go. We're going to go to reports. And we are going to go to counters, display the counters, and we have the counters blue. So this is the number of blues in that system. As you can see, a maximum of 62 there. So that pretty much concludes this video. Thank you for watching.